so much.
And yeah.
Ano yung sinasabi niyo? Ano ko? Alam mo sabi? True. Ina nyo ah. Gusto ko gano'n ba? Ina nyo ah. Laki ko lang yung mula.
Hey vlog.
Yo! Ano yan? Happy birthday, Ram!
Happy birthday, Ram.
Wala naman.
Yun na yun.
Wala naman.
Ano na yun?
Magpakahinay-hinay sa mga ginagawa. Sabi niya yung birthday girl. Diba?
O siya naman, siya.
Ikaw bro, ano masabi mo kay Ram? Kay Ram? Das mo na yan ha? Hello! Ang fresh talaga ni Bia. Bia, tingin ka naman. Oo. Oh. Ang dami ka.
Dami naman. Ako naman. My birthday wish for Ram is that which is among us and absolutely love you, Ram. Hindi pa nga, wala pa. Ay, sorry na out of character ako, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Forgive me. Hey, guys. We are here at Galby House in Buffalo Grove with the birthday girl. Woo! Ang pamilya. Hello. Hello. Grabe. Yo, this is not good. Lightning. Sa ganon. Guys, sorry na out of character ako kasi dapat yung voice ko lang is like this. Like,
Chiga.
guys, what's your birthday wish to Ram or birthday message?
I just wanna say, magbagong buhay na. Yun lang. Then, nagbagong buhay naman na yan. Wala na akong sabi. Kaya, kamusta po? Wala naman akong masasabi.
Tama si Papa, di ba? Ayun na. Message daw for Ram.
Happy birthday!
Ano na siya? Nasa group C na siya? Group C na? No! Nasa chicken pa lang tayo eh. Ayun. Last batch na. Basta, wala lang.
I love you guys. Thank you for coming.
True. Kala mo ikaw yung nag-ano yun, no? Na-surprise ka ba talaga?
Kasi nga may work ako. Pagod na pagod ako dahil gusto ko na sana matulog.
crying.
Basta.
We're crying.
Ayun, nagulat ako na dito kayo lahat.
Alam mo, tinitingnan ko nga yung ano mo, yung map mo. Sabi ko, lang, nasan to si Ram?
Sa Northbrook, nag-work
Oo,
ako.
nasa Northbrook lang. Sabi ko, 9 miles away siya dito.
Nag-work ako hanggang 4:30. Dapat alas 7. Sabi ni Joe, mag-dinner tayo.
Pero anong message mo sa sarili mo? Ikaw naman.
Anong masasabi mo sa sarili mo?
Ayan, that's the one I was waiting. Nung nasa Nola tayo. Okay ka naman daw.
Ano nga mo? I'm busy.
Message mo daw kay
I'm not
Ram.
this busy. Ram. Sana mabuhay ka habang buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ram. We love you so much. We're lucky to have you as our friend. Just know that we love you so much and we appreciate you. Thank you for always hosting for a free game. Oh my God! Okay, that's enough. That's enough now.
Di ba may meta glasses ka?
Message for Ram Ram.
Hi, Ram. Sana.
Only one? Wait.
Hi, Ram. So, we're eating Korean barbecue, and I want to say happy birthday, and that sana, masaya ka palagi. I hope you're always happy. Hayop ka. Anyways, Mike is talking shit. But anyway, I just want to say happy birthday, and that I love you so much. I'm overstimulated because there's so many people. But anyway, yeah, happy birthday, and I wish you nothing but the best in life. And anyway, I'm passing the mic over. I'm passing the mic over to someone that is still eating. Sana you grow up. Just kidding.
Ram,
For Ram.
I'll be honest with you. I came here not knowing what's going on. And then when you guys came in, I thought it was Joe's birthday. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ram.
You did all of that?
Hope you have a good birthday, and I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Listen, motherfucker, you better have a really good motherfucking birthday. You hear me? Huh? Are you having a good birthday? That's right. That's what I thought. Happy birthday.
Hey,
I say,
Remy, happy birthday. Love you.
love you. Happy birthday. We're glad to get to celebrate you today.
Welcome to my channel.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ram!
Happy birthday, Day. Last mo na yan, ha?
Sayang.
Ito na yung mga fresh kang mga kaibigan. Yan, naghihintay na sila.
Hello. Happy birthday to my wife. I love you. And yeah. And to many more. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ram. It has been a pleasure getting to know you. I know that you are so kind to Via, and Via loves you so much, and I can't wait to have some more experiences with you and Joe. So happy birthday.
Ala, ganun pala yun. Ay, wow. Di man lang sinindihan sa loob. Wala. Ay, wow. Ah, yun pala yun. One.
Can't get all of them.
Mahina naman tong pag-ano ng
Ay, nasa iyo.
Guys, don't change. Keep the change. Thank you, guys.
It's fun. It's a lot of. It's like it's big guns. You're not racing.
Hi guys, we are currently at, I don't know where we are, but we are go-karting and laser tag for Ram's birthday. So whoever's go-karting, run over Ram.
True.
the what? You need the laser for laser tag?
Waiver for the laser tag.
The laser for
Waiver for the ravers. Eh?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Yeah. Parang nababaliw-baliw na din bro, no?
Ngayon ka ba kasi madla?
Sakto lang, pangit na po. Ayan. Ano?
Patayin yung ilaw.
Like,
Do us a favor. Do us a favor.
as a gorge.
Ala, yun na.
Ano ba yun?
Scam yun, oh. Please, wala na.
Oh!
Please, wala.
Go na lang! Participation. Go na lang! Go na lang! Para sumigaw tayo.
Try natin mamaya isa.
Go na, mag-load ka na doon! Magkano? 15? Eh baka pang dito lang yun eh.
Ano yan? How much is that?
Ayun na. Body pa naman yung... Ano yan? Ano yan?
No one's even here.
Ganun ka? Like, what? Like, ganun ka, ano, we're just gonna play Bang Bang. Bang 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 Bang. Hindi na. Bang 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 Bang. Oh, ikaw ka. Ano na, ito naman. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Sira na ang reputasyon. Bro, hindi ka nag-load, bro? Ha? Hindi ka nag-load? Bakit? So cute! Ano meron dun? Ah, dyan ako naman. Scary movie pala. Ito na lang. Scary movie. It's fun! Oh, si Ram nga parang wala lang eh. So cute! Ay, pwede ba mag...
Hey guys, we are here. I don't know what this place is called. Yeah, but I just want to say happy birthday to our best girl in the world.
Wala na kasi nakaka-vlogger pag magante. So ayun yung mga makukuha mo. Alam, cute ng Pikachu.
I want a Pikachu.
So, ano masasabi mo na nandito ka ngayon sa birthday ni Ram?
I am just so happy. And yeah.
Ano yung sinasabi nila? Give me some 360.
360. Did you guys want some 360?
360.
Say less.
360.
Ano 360?
Ikot. Show that buddy. Uy.
Happy birthday, HBD.